Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will tell you how to set up custom ringtone on Android 16. Let's begin. So first you want to go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to sounds and vibration, and then you want to go to phone ringtone. By default you have a few different built-in libraries of different sounds and music, but if you want to set up your custom ringtone, you can go to My Sounds here. As you can see, there is nothing currently, but in order to add something here, you can just simply hit this plus icon, and now you can add anything from your device memory or from the Google Drive memory. So yeah, that's all for this video. Then you basically this appears here, you click on it, you hit save, and you're done. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.